Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well, and today we will discuss about the reverse string. So what is the problem? So you are given a string, okay, that is the string variable name, and this is our string coding, okay, and you want to reverse the string. This is the reverse string, and this is the version GNIDOC. Okay, so how can I do it? So if you observe, here is here is G. Okay, here is C, and here the first character is C, but here the last character is C. Here the last character is G, but here in the reverse string the first character is Z. So here the first character going to the last, and here the last character going to the first. So also, if there have second character is O, there have last second character is N, there have second character N, and there have last second character O. So this second character goes here, the last, and the this your last second character goes to the second. Here the third character goes to the last third, and here the last third character going to the third character. So this is the basic observation of this problem. So at first how can I do it? So first we take the STL method. What's the STL method? This is the standard template library. So there have a inbuilt function of STL string class. There have a function that's name is reverse. Okay, so this is the reverse function. At first take it str.begin, what is the starting address, and str.end, okay, the ending address, and using this you can do the solve. Okay, so this is the STL. So what is the time complexity is here? What is the time complexity? So what is the time complexity? Time complexity is the big O of n, and what is the big O of n? N is the size of your string, and what is the your space complexity? Your space complexity should be big O 1, because you don't take any auxiliary space to solve the problem. Okay, so let's take it your without STL. How can I do it? Okay, so first, if you see, this is your first character. Okay, this is your first character, and this is your second character, this is your third character, this is your fourth character, this is your fifth character. Wait a minute, this is your sorry this is your third character, and this is your fourth character. Sorry, this is your fourth character, this is your fifth character, and this is your sixth character. So if you are thinking this is zeroth character, why I am saying this is the first character? Because in the array, or in the string array, or any character array, all are zero based, okay, not the one based. So that's why I am saying the zeroth character is our first character, and the one character is our second character, and the second character is our third character, and that's why so on. Okay, so let's take so wait a minute, we just want to copy it. So if you see, how can I reverse it? At first, your C, here C, go to the last character. Here C, go to the last character. And your G, go to the first. So there have swap happens. Okay, there are swap happens. So what is swap, you want to know? So if there have value, one is value a equal to 9, and there have b equal to 10, and you want to swap a equal to 10 and b equal to 9. So how can I do it? If you there have a STL, swap a and swap b. Okay, after that you get the result. Okay, you get this result. Using this you get this result. Also you can use this with a temporary variable or XOR operation. Also you can do it, but they have STL swap, so I do it using STL. Okay, so for that case, so how can I solve this problem? So I am using the two pointer approach. So what is the two pointer approach? So we take a pointer at the 0th index and another pointer at the last index. Okay. So here is the size is 6. So last index is the 5. Okay. Size minus 1. So because this is start from the 0th index. So we want to swap each other. This after swapping, C goes to the last index and G goes to the first index. Okay, so this is the result. G goes to the first index and C goes to the last index, and after that you want to increment the ith and you decrement the j, because you want to swap the next characters. Okay, so in there you want to swap the ith index and the jth index. Okay, so what's the result? Here is n and here is o. Okay, so after that you want to increment the I or decrement the j. Okay, so then swap each other. Okay, swap each other. So what's the result? This is the result id. If you observe here, j is cross the I. Okay, or all time you just observe all time I less than j. Sorry, all time I less than your I less than j. All time this is happened. I less than j, I less than j. Here also I less than j. But in this case, j is less than I. So in that case, you want to stop your program. Okay. So let's do it in the LeetCode and okay, so go to the LeetCode. So there have a problem, reverse string. Write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of character s. You must do it by modifying the input array in place with big O1 extra memory. Okay, so there have a string and you want to reverse it. Okay, and yeah, so how can I do it? So at first take the starting index, is starting index, and or you can use the I. Okay, your choice. So this is the 0, and what is the ending index? This is the s dot size minus 1. Okay, so here this is the vector character array also, while s character array, not sorry, string, while start less than end, you want to swap it, or we can say I less than j, you want to do your operation. So okay, in that case we first swap the current value and what's the current starting current value and the ending current value. Okay, after that start plus plus, start increment, end minus minus, end decrement. Okay, so when start is greater than n, when start is, this is the start, start is greater than n, end also j. So in that case you want to break your code. Okay, and you need to no need to return the string because this is the in place order. And okay, so let's check it. What's the test result? Is it passed? Okay, all test cases are passed. So let's check it, the hidden test cases. Mm, yeah, this is also be done. So go to the GFG, we take it, we copy it, okay, and paste it in the GFG. You want to return the string, return s, okay. So compile and run. Okay, okay. First test cases is okay. So what's the output of the hidden test cases? Ready for evaluation? Yeah, all are right. All test cases are passed. Your accuracy is 100%. So you are done with this problem. So in that case, what is the time complexity? Okay, and the space complexity. If you think, you just do, wait, you visit each and every element from the starting or the end. You visit in every element. So we can say it, the time complexity is here, the time complexity is here, wait the time complexity is here, big O of n and big O of n, okay. And what is the space complexity? We don't take any other extra space, so we can say it, this is the big O of 1, okay. So this is the time complexity and the space complexity of this problem. So I hope you have understood everything over here, and the next lecture also about the string problem. And if you are new to our channel, so please do consider subscribing this channel, and thank you.